Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Dropbox and we click here. In this page of app unfollow we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about Dropbox. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and think of your